Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade. The OWC 256GB DDR4 2933MHz RAM kit. This isn't your average memory boost. We're talking about a massive 256GB spread across 832GB modules. If you're a content creator, a serious gamer, or someone who runs memory-intensive applications, this kit could be a game changer. First impressions are solid. The modules feel well built, and they adhere to JEDEC standard specifications, ensuring compatibility and reliability. They're also RoHS compliant, which is always a plus. OWC has designed these to meet or exceed OEM specs, so you can be confident they'll perform as expected. The key benefit here is, of course, the sheer amount of memory. With 256GB, you can say goodbye to memory bottlenecks. This is especially noticeable when working with large video files, complex 3D models, or running multiple virtual machines. The 2933 MHz speed and CL21 latency provide a good balance of speed and responsiveness for most applications. Installation is generally straightforward. OWC even provides a basic installation video to guide you through the process. As long as you're comfortable opening up your PC and handling components, you should be able to install this kit yourself. Just make sure your motherboard supports this much RAM in the 288-pin UDIM format. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This level of support is a significant advantage, giving you peace of mind knowing that OWC stand behind their product. In terms of performance, the OWC 256GB kit delivers as promised. Applications load faster, multitasking is smoother, and overall system responsiveness is noticeably improved. For professionals who rely on memory-intensive tasks, this upgrade can significantly boost productivity. While this kit is undoubtedly powerful, it's important to consider whether you truly need 256GB of RAM. For everyday users, this might be overkill. However, for those who push their systems to the limit, the OWC 256GB DDR4 kit is a worthwhile investment. It's a high-quality, reliable, and high-performance memory upgrade that can transform your PC's capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.